And you know, of the 400,000 different plants, Tiana Bonouz, one of our research scientists, has started to look at different types of plants capturing different types of pollution. And without a doubt, you know, on the right-hand side, you've got scale leaves, and they're best to capture the pollution in between the leaves. You've got hairy leaves, which capture them in between the hairs. The waxiness can capture that, and then the rough leaves, they get captured. You can see the little images, the different particulates of the microscope. Having a hedge that's 2 meters high, so it stops if you're in relation to the car elements. And so having a hedge also provides that sort of protection. Next slide. And you can see, you know, again, simply on the left-hand side, you can buy these bits of kit. In fact, they use them in schools. They plant them against school playground. This is basically a ready planted ivy wall, and you can use it on your balcony, and you can just either fit it in. Sometimes you'll have to maybe fit it into a container, or you can fit it into your garden. But again, it will attract birds because it'll have berries. It will reduce sound, but it will also help with the pollution.